Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open your Mercedes C-Class key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the mechanical key blade. Once released, gently pull the key blade completely out of its slot. This action reveals the next area you need to access for battery replacement or other maintenance. Now, look for a small slot or indentation, usually located near where the key blade was. Take a thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and carefully insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Mercedes C-Class keys use a CR2025 or CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.